So we've done spray coat, right? Is now the time we're gonna go ahead and dry it. I'm using the big chug, got a nice surface here. Should I still use slick? I mean, we've already put down the protection of spray coat. Some people might go, hey, that's a little over the top.
It's not over the top for me. Again, when you're talking about elite, you want to care for the car. A couple sprays of slick to give some lubrication to your towel, I don't think that's a negative thing. Again, so many guys are trying to cut a corner. We've gotten this Porsche back to looking like new. Why in the world wouldn't I put a couple little spritzes like you're doing there? You're just doing a little bit to give the towel a little bit of hope, right? That way we don't have any marring. Again, I'm always for adding more protection.
Hey Nick, I mean, as you're going around, I mean, you can feel the difference now on the vehicle as you're drying.
This was in pretty rough shape. Yeah. I know it's hard to see that a lot of times on camera, but this is why we did the process that we did, right? And this is why I'm not scared to add a little slick at the end, or add spray coat and slick like we're doing now, or do a pre-treat with bug and TRX and the nasty parts. I mean, it's going that extra mile that's going to give you what you're looking for.
It feels amazing.
All right, let's talk about finishing off exterior detail. Obviously, we know, everybody knows, let's put some tire dressing on, let's clean up the final touches on the rims. To me, when I walk into a car, I care a lot about the door jambs. And there's all this talk about what should I use. I'm going to take some slick, shake it up, couple spritzes, couple spritzes here. Obviously, I know we're on camera here. I'm gonna go ahead and open the door. Hit these door jambs. To me, Marty, I don't want, if you're a professional customer, I don't care if it's my own car, I don't wanna walk in and see a dirty jam. To me, this is still the exterior, right? We have painted surfaces. I'm gonna go ahead and hit these just like I would hit the paint. It's exactly what I'm gonna do. And you can see, this got a tiny bit of flake. I don't know if you noticed that this paint's got just a little bit of flake. It's not like completely flat. But now somebody walks in here, Marty, and one of the craziest things is they just see it just like they would see their exterior. You got this plastic piece, darken it up a little bit with some slick. And now we're gonna go hit, obviously, in this little crevice where all the dirt and grime is. But the good thing is, because we were so thorough on the rinse, we don't have a lot of stuff in here, right? We don't have dirt. This is the importance of a thorough couple of rinses, is that this is a car that wasn't really well maintained, that we did what? With the rinse process, with all of our steps, we don't have muddy door jambs, right? So this, to me, go along the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and put some here. This just puts that final touch for me. I hate getting in a car where this, and honestly, I don't know how you feel, Marty. I really judge somebody. We'll see guys go through the painstaking process of a couple stage polish, and then you'll get into the car and this stuff will be off. This is the final detail, to me, that separates that elite process. And just use whatever you're using on the paint. And plus we use spray coat, so when we rinsed it, it got into all the nooks and crannies. Perfectly detailed exterior. Now when this guy gets in here, I bet he hasn't seen this clean even when it was new, right? And so I don't know if you can zoom in here, Marty. Can you catch this little paint stain he has here? The reason that's there is because, why? Dirt kept leaking out after a detail, and the water stained this little area here. And it's kind of permanently marked up. You have to polish that out. You might not be able to see it so well on camera, but that's the importance of hitting the door jambs every single time, is to keep it from getting those water runoff marks, because all the dirt coming down from the jam. And so that's why I have always hit jams. So I just have the habit, right? But you can see it. There's these parts of this that are permanently stained that we'd have to get out with some polish. This is kind of one of those finishing touches. Again, keeping every little part ready to go. Spray a little slick in your gas area. And we're just gonna go ahead and detail this plastic out. That way, again, if you're talking to a customer or it's your car, you don't have any of these little places hiding any dirt. And you'll a lot of times, Marty, see running down here kind of a line that needs to be polished out because people let their gas area get so out of control. So this is my favorite part of the detail. We're gonna go and check over everything that we did. Look, this car is hammered. You got rock chips on the front. Should have been PPF since new. Definitely coated since new. But you can bring it back to life, right? That's what a lot of people don't understand is the proper process, that little extra care we gave on the front end, pre-treating areas with Bug and TRX, that gives you an elite finish. Now, this is a car that's taken some beating. And so now, as you give that final wipe, you go, hey, we got it to the best place we could get it. If we had time to two-step correct this car would look even better, but you're still not gonna get rid of some of these blemishes that he just allowed to happen, right? So you look at this guy, he's the perfect person to say, this would be so much different if it was maintained properly from the beginning, you know what I mean?
Absolutely. You keep these steps throughout the process of owning the vehicle.
Yeah, you're gonna be in a perfect spot,
in
right?
much better shape. But I think this is also my favorite time of the detail, because now you get to, as you're wiping down, kind of looking it over, right? You get to step back for just a little bit and go, wow, hey, we did some really good stuff here, man. You did a great job, man. This car looks great.
This is awesome. Like I said, elite process, elite chemicals, doing things in the right order, and we didn't work that hard.
Nah.
You see a lot of guys working really hard to detail a car. This was very, very enjoyable. All benefited by process and the proper products.
Well, thanks for everybody watching. This has been a lot of fun. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit like if you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys on the next one.